I welcome each one of you to my channel Kulvinder Pharma Vision for your success, my mission. I'm your KV once again back with my video part 2 that is Success with 360 degree. सबसे पहले आशा करती हूँ कि आप सब बहुत खुश होंगे, स्वस्थ होंगे और खुशहाली के अपना जीवन व्यतीत कर रहे हैं. With all my best wishes for your good health and good life, I am proceeding this video part 2 in which I am going to take topics regarding how 360-degree angle can help in marketing and my favorite topic, just keep watching on. I want to remind that I am taking 360-degree approach for success, keeping in mind all the details already has been discussed that 360-degree is an angle of a circle and circular approach keeping all the aspects intact and covering all possibilities increases the possibility to attain. Now let's have a 360-degree approach of marketing. 360-degree approach of marketing starts with market research. Just see the start button. In market research, number of data analysis has been done looking into the market scenario, customer behavior, what are the top moving brands, and all these analysis helps in identification of product according to the customer's need. After identifying the product, select the market. कौन सी मार्केट में आप अपने प्रोडक्ट को पहले लॉन्च करना चाह रहे हैं धीरे धीरे व्हाट आर योर प्लान्स ऑफ एक्सपेंशन. Pricing is a very important factor. What kind of packaging, that is very attractive packaging should be there. Where you want to position your brand and branding of the product. Finally, how you will be going to promote your brand means promotion of the product. All these 5 P's, product, pricing, packaging, positioning and promotion, and all these activities need to be totally accommodated into a budget क्योंकि हर जगह money involved है. So all these activities should have a very particular budget. आपका अपना budget में accommodate हो. But क्या is it sufficient? आजकल आप क्या कर रहे हैं वो इतना important है लेकिन इससे भी ज्यादा important क्या है the competitors activities, what others are doing, how competitors are moving. So keep analyzing your competitors and make your product USPs, benefits of your products. You can easily make your unique selling points, make out the benefits and then approach the customers. And dear, that is your final destination. Approaching the customers, retain your customers, promote your customers and respect them. After all these procedures, then you will reach the final 360 degree, that is results. Ultimately, money, 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 and companies will earn their own profits. This is 360-degree approach of successful marketing. 360-degree approach of successful medical representative. If you want to enter into medical industry, pharma industry, this is very important that keep this 360-degree approach to reach at that level too. 360-degree approach to become medical representative, just focus on the start button. That is, have a keen desire to join pharma industry. You want to become medical representative. So, अपनी तरफ से पूरा एफर्ट्स लगाइए, पूरे जुनून के साथ माइंड मेकअप कीजिए with full dedication that yes, pharma industry is a right choice for me. You know, this is the only industry which is even fastest growing in corona pandemic time where other businesses was not doing the same. The IT industry and pharma industry, two industries have the best growing rate. So I am giving you a task, a homework that make a list of Indian pharmaceutical industry and make a list of so many MNCs which are widespread in the whole world. You will find the plenty number of them. So after doing this, just go to my video number 1 that why to choose medical representative as a career. You will come to know number of factors, so many noble things about this industry, about the customers, that how you will feel proud of yourself. In spite of that, please gain job knowledge कि actually बनने के बाद आपको करना क्या है. Acquire the skills. I know skills are inherited also. बहुत से लोगों में marketing skills are already there, but they need to be groomed for medical sector. So acquire learning, acquire skills through learning. Start searching your prospects. आपके prospects क्या हैं? Pharma companies in which you want to approach and join them. So approach them and just prepare for an interview so that you can crack the interview. You know how many knowledge, so vast knowledge. कितने लोगों में बहुत सी knowledge होती है, लेकिन sometimes even they fail to crack the interview. So this is very tricky. Prepare yourself so that you can be selected in the interview. Then you will pass through the trainings, not only in-house or job. You can say room trainings. Other than field trainings, nowadays very important is digital training as well. As social distancing is the topmost norm. और आजकल दूरियां बढ़ गई हैं, इसीलिए digital training is a media to connect with your customers. And you know what are customers for you? You yourself is a product. आपको अपने आप को sell करना है to pharma companies so that after passing through all the sectors of this 360 degree, आप एक कंपनी में इंटरव्यू क्रैक करके ट्रेनिंग्स को easily कंप्लीट करके अच्छे स्कोर्स के साथ ज्वाइन कर सके. And you know what will be the result of this 360 degree? That you will be started your first earning after becoming medical representative in pharmaceutical industry. And please watch my video number 2, ladder of success, कि how far you can grow. Once the first step is MR, but sky is the limit. You can approach successful life और आप किसी भी मुकाम तक पहुंच सकते हैं. You can watch the ladder of success. So please don't forget that I'm available. Kulwinder Pharma Vision is there for you to help you in passing through each segment, that is job knowledge, skills, prospects, approach, interview, training, and finally reaching to the company where you will be appointed. So stay tuned to my channel. KV is with you and taking each step one by one. And you know what will be my next video? Since I'm talking your starting point as a keen desire, so stay tuned for my next video, that is number of D's to become success. So this first D is desire, and wait for my next video. Thank you for watching my video. Keep subscribing my video channel. Bell the button because otherwise you may miss the notifications. एक घंटी बजाएंगे तो बार बार मेरी वीडियोस आपके सामने खुद आती रहेंगी. Like, share and comment on my videos and do approach for specialized trainings to become MR as MR trainings with training material, motivational trainings, even product trainings by the companies, managerial level trainings along with all product manuals. Do approach your KV at Kulwinder Pharma Vision for your success, my mission. But please stay tuned and take care of yourself as Corona is still revolving around ourselves. So we need to be very careful और मेरी आप सब से गुजारिश है अपना ध्यान रखें, खुश रहें और आसपास खुशी को फैलाएं. Thank you very much.